Welcome. In today's digital world, opening a UK bank account online has never been easier. Let's dive into the essentials you need to know. First, choose a bank. Research online banks offering accounts for non-residents. Look for low fees and good customer support. Gather necessary documents like your passport, proof of address, and a tax identification number. Each bank may have specific requirements. Now, start your application online. Fill in your details carefully, ensuring everything is correct to avoid delays. After submission, wait for account verification. This can take from a few days to a couple of weeks. Once approved, you'll receive your account details. Congratulations! You can now transact in GBP from anywhere. With your new account, explore mobile banking options. Manage your finances on the go and enjoy convenient access. Stay informed about currency exchanges if you plan to transfer funds internationally. Watch for the best rates. Set up alerts for transactions and statements to keep track of your spending and stay secure. Lastly, connect with customer support for any questions or concerns. They are there to help you navigate your banking experience. Now you're ready to manage your UK bank account online efficiently, from anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on finances and banking.